Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast Home. My name is Adam.
And I am Sarah. Today we have a very special episode for you. This is episode 34.
And today we will speak slow, clear, and natural English for beginners. Please relax, take a deep breath, listen carefully, and repeat after us. Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning, Adam. How are you today?
I am very good. I feel happy today. And you?
I feel great. I slept well last night.
That is wonderful. What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 7 o'clock in the morning. And you?
I woke up at 6:30 a.m. I like to wake up early.
Why do you like to wake up early?
Because the morning is quiet, the air is fresh, and I feel peaceful.
Yes, I agree. The morning is very calm.
I wake up early. I wake up at 7 o'clock. The morning is quiet. The air is fresh. I feel peaceful. Repeat again. I wake up early. I wake up early. I wake up early. Good job. Part 2. Breakfast time. Adam, what did you eat for breakfast?
I ate eggs and toast. I also drank a cup of coffee.
That sounds delicious. I ate cereal and drank tea.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I love tea. I drink tea every morning. I like coffee more than tea.
That's okay. Everyone has different tastes.
Listen and repeat. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. I drink tea. I eat eggs. I eat toast. Now say the full sentence. I eat eggs and toast for breakfast. I drink coffee in the morning. I drink tea in the morning. Repeat 3 times. Good. Very good. After breakfast, I go to work.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by car.
How long does it take?
It takes 20 minutes.
That's not bad.
No, it's not bad at all.
I take the bus to work. It takes 30 minutes.
Do you like taking the bus?
Yes, I do. I can read a book on the bus. I go to work. You go to work. We go to work. But he goes to work. She goes to work. Repeat. He goes. She goes. Adam goes to work. Sarah goes to work. Again. He goes. She goes. He goes to work. She goes to work. Excellent. Part 4. At work. Sarah, what do you do at work, Adam?
I work in an office. I answer emails. I talk to customers.
That sounds busy.
Yes, sometimes it is very busy.
I work in a school. I teach English.
That is amazing.
Thank you. I love teaching.
Say these sentences. I work in an office. I work in a school. I teach English. I answer emails. I talk to customers. Now say, I love my job. I like my job. I enjoy my job. Repeat slowly. Very good. Part 5. Evening time. Adam. After work, I go home.
Sarah, what do you do in the evening?
I watch TV, I cook dinner, sometimes I read a book.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, it is relaxing.
Sarah, in the evening, I like to go for a walk.
That is healthy.
Yes, walking is good for the body and mind.
Repeat. I wake up. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I come home. I eat dinner. I go to sleep. Now say the full routine. I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I come home. I eat dinner. I go to sleep at 10 p.m. Repeat again slowly. Excellent pronunciation. Now Adam and Sarah will speak again. Listen carefully. Sarah, what time do you go to sleep?
I usually go to sleep at 10:30 p.m. What about you?
I go to sleep at 11 p.m.
Do you use your phone before sleeping?
Sometimes, but I try not to use my phone too much.
That's good. It's important to rest well.
Yes, sleep is very important. Answer these questions. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? How do you go to work? What do you do in the evening? What time do you go to sleep? Pause the audio. Answer in English. Speak out loud.
I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I drink tea.
I drink tea.
I go to work by car.
I go to work by car.
I teach English.
I teach English.
Again.
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 Practice makes progress.
I go to work by car. I go to work by car.
I teach English.
I teach English. Again. I go to work by car. I go to work by car.
I teach English.
I teach English. Again. I go to work by car. I go to work by car.
I teach English.
I teach English. Practice makes progress. Sarah, what do you do after work?
After work, I go home and relax.
How do you relax?
I listen to music. I drink tea. Sometimes I watch TV.
That sounds nice. I usually cook dinner.
What do you cook?
I cook rice, chicken, and vegetables.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, I try to eat healthy food. Repeat after us. I go home after work. I relax at home. I listen to music. I watch TV. I cook dinner. Again, slowly. I go home after work. I relax at home. I listen to music. I watch TV. I cook dinner. Very good. Now, listen to the full daily routine conversation. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I eat breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by bus.
What do you do at work?
I teach English students.
What do you do in the evening?
I go for a walk and read a book.
I wake up early. I wake up early.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I go to work. I come home. I come home.
I go to sleep at night.
I go to sleep at night. Again, again, again. Do you wake up early? Yes, I wake up early. No, I wake up late.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink tea. I drink coffee. Do you like your job? Yes, I like my job. No, I don't like my job.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV. I study English. I relax. Before sleeping, I brush my teeth.
I also brush my teeth before bed.
I turn off the lights.
I say good night to my family.
Then I go to sleep.
And I sleep for 8 hours.
Repeat. I brush my teeth before bed. I turn off the lights. I go to sleep. I sleep for 8 hours. Again, slowly. Excellent. Sarah, what do you do after you wake up?
After I wake up, I stretch my body.
That's good. Stretching is healthy.
Yes, it helps my body feel active.
After that, what do you do?
I go to the bathroom, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
I do the same. Then I make my bed.
Oh, that's good. Making your bed is a good habit.
I stretch my body. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I make my bed. Again, I stretch my body. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I make my bed. Very good. Do you feel sleepy in the morning?
Sometimes I feel sleepy.
What do you do when you feel sleepy?
I drink water and open the window.
That's smart. Fresh air helps.
Yes, fresh air gives me energy.
I like to drink coffee for energy.
Coffee gives you energy?
Yes, it does. Answer loudly. Do you feel sleepy in the morning? What do you drink in the morning? Do you drink water or coffee? Speak in full sentences. For example, I drink coffee in the morning. I drink water in the morning. Again, Sarah, do you study every day?
Yes, I study English every day.
How long do you study?
I study for 30 minutes.
That's great.
Practice is important.
Yes, practice makes progress. I study English every day. I study English every day. I study English every day. Good. Now, I study for 30 minutes. I study for 30 minutes. I study for 30 minutes. Excellent pronunciation. Now, Adam and Sarah will speak faster. Listen carefully. I wake up early, brush my teeth, eat breakfast, and go to work.
I wake up at 7, drink tea, go to work, and teach English.
Now you say it. Say your full routine. I wake up at, I eat blank, I go to blank, I come home at blank. Again. Sarah, are you tired at night?
Yes, sometimes I am very tired.
Why are you tired?
Because I work hard during the day.
Hard work is good.
Yes, but rest is also important.
That's true. Repeat. I feel tired. I feel happy. I feel relaxed. I feel excited. Again, slowly. Very good. Speak with energy. I wake up early. I wake up early. I study English every day. I study English every day. I practice speaking. I practice speaking. I am improving every day. I am improving every day. Again, again, again. Learning English is a journey. Step by step, you will improve. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Practice daily. And believe in yourself. This is English Podcast Home. Learn English, Episode 34. Slow, Natural English for Beginners. See you next time. Goodbye, everyone.